Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So I know sometimes you get annoyed with me. You think I'm so maarte, but I'm not. Ay naku! I am arte. But I am simple and I am so down to earth. Charot. Yuta! Anyway, so those are some expressions. So for this video, I will be teaching you common expressions both in Tagalog and Bisaya. And of course, don't forget its English translation. And I'll give you a little trivia about optometry, my profession. Are you ready? Okay. Oh, sana all. Say, when in Dubai, I always say, "Hi, nako." And then my colleagues would ask me, "What is hi nako?" Hi nako, it's like, oh my. Hi nako, I'm bored. I'm tired. So it's hi nako. Let me think if we have that in Bisaya. Pastilan. I think that's the Bisaya for ay naku, pastilan. So see? Okay. Next, we always hear or see this now in Facebook or in other social media. People say, sana all. It means just basically hope. Sana is hope. All, you know what is all? Lahat. For example, if somebody posts like a bouquet of roses given to her on her anniversary, sana all. I hope I receive this bouquet of roses like you. I hope I get to travel like you. Something like that. So, sana all. Okay? A third expression is charot. So, charot in Tagalog is kind of like, you know, yeah, right. Yeah, whatever. Something like that. In Bisaya, we say char-char. Char-char.com. Okay? Another expression is beshi. People call best friends now beshi. Beshi, bestie, besh. In Bisaya, we also have ours. We say, hi, friendship. See, ours is weirder. Hi, friendship. So, friendship, I know it's grammatically incorrect because you should say, hi, friend. My first expression is bayuta. Which I told you earlier, it's like, you know, just bayuta is from the word bayut. And another expression is pagsure oy. So this is very common expression here. Pagsure oy, it means that you have to be very, are you sure? You should be very sure. Pagsure oy. You see? Another one is, so istorbot. Istoryahe. Istorbot. Istorbot kaayo. It's not store-bought that you buy in the store. Istorbot. Istorbot means istoryang bot-bot. Istorya is story. Bot-bot is, how do you say that in English? When you're telling a lie, when you're like, you know, boastful and buton man ka. Last na lang ka. This is another phrase. Last na lang ka, ha? So when somebody is so mad, and like I'm stretching my patience, so last na lang ka, one more, and then I'll kick your ass or something like that. Ayaw kog labda. Ayaw kog labda. Ayaw means no, don't. Ko is me. Labda is don't give me a headache. Ayaw kog labda. I think I gave you a lot already. We'll have more next time. So here's a short trivia about optometry, my profession. Did you know that astigmatism is when the eye is not perfectly round, causing light not to focus evenly? That causes blurring of vision both at far and near and can cause headache and eye strain. So take a look at this. In astigmatism, the letters are not focused, both for far and near. And this is one of the common charts that we use for eye test. Did you know that another term for astigmatism is astigmia? Did you know that the lens used to correct astigmatism is called a cylindrical lens? Now, this is a sample prescription, a -2 with a -1.50 cylinder, axis 180. And did you know that these are some of the charts used to check astigmatism?
Anyway, I hope to give you more trivia next time.
I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching my video. Bye! Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!